Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Pisces. So let's start with these cards. We have Page of Suns in reverse, Four of Moons in reverse, and Two of Moons. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you are moving towards someone in your life. Maybe you are sharing a greater intimacy with someone in your love life. You have that satisfaction, contentment in this relationship, and this relationship is deepening, and you are contemplating further development in this relationship, maybe marriage or commitment, a firm commitment with this person, and you both share a beautiful understanding. Things are going positively in this love, so you are seeing you have brighter hopes or faith in a brighter future. So things are unfolding as it should. You are having a very good relationship with this person you love, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may have someone, it may be a common friend or someone close to you really. This person, maybe you trust this person as a friend, as someone reliable and honest who has honest intentions towards you. But you need to understand that you cannot trust this person or whatever they say today, guys. Maybe for some reason they are trying to do certain things to separate you from this person you love. Maybe they do not like this person you love, and they are trying to bring a break between you both. You both share a good good understanding with each other. You have a great compatibility, but this person is trying to break. For some of you, it may maybe the things they say, maybe some rumors or gossips about your love. So that may be the reason for some kind of troubles if you listen to them, guys. So some unexpected changes are happening. Maybe you may have an intuition telling you that something bad is going to happen, and you may fear your intuition today. But you need to understand that you should not listen to the people if they are telling you something bad about someone. You should see it for yourself, see the truth in what they are saying. So you should not decide anything based on what others say. You will know in your heart of hearts what is the right thing, guys, and your intuition will tell you the right thing. And maybe for some of you, your intuition towards this person, it may not be good, but this person may be someone who has been a true friend for a long time, and your intuition is telling you otherwise. So that means you just need to go with the intuition, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. And maybe for some of you, if this relationship will not work also, you may have your intuition guiding you today, guys. So you just have to listen to your intuition, Pisces. That is what I see. with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Pisces, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are in a particular circumstance, trying to change yourself, making a huge sacrifice, maybe for someone you love, and you are not listening to your inner voice. Maybe you are doing something which you love to do, but at what cost? It is giving you a lot of pain, a lot of troubles. You are not happy with the changes you are making for this person or for this circumstance, but still you are doing it. You are thinking maybe only by doing this sacrifice you are going to show your love to that other person. But you can show your love to that other person, maybe your true concern to the other person, but at what cost? That is what is the question here, guys. So something which you cannot change or which you cannot do, there is a limit for anything and everything. So that is the meaning with this card. So you are making some sacrifice that is really painful, that is like simply giving up your own voice or your heart's desire. So you are changing everything for this person you love or for this circumstance, and in the long run it is not going to make you happy. So this sacrifice should be made with happiness, but if it is not made happily, then it is surely going to give you a lot of pain in the future, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to realize that the love which you feel you cannot work out, it's better you can be away from that love instead of doing impossible things to keep it, impossible things to have that love. So you need to understand that, guys, and you need to be aware of relationship which demands a huge sacrifice. Is it really worth it? So you need to take a important decision today. You need to see whether you need to sacrifice so much for this love. So it is all in your hands now, guys. Maybe if you feel it is worth it, you can go ahead. If it is not, you have to think twice, guys, before making the next move in this relationship for this love. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Archangel Raphael. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, guys. And this card stands for healing, guys. Healing at all levels, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So this angel ensures safety in our travels and guiding us and assisting us in our day-to-day life and helping us to choose a healthy lifestyle for ourselves. Maybe If you are interested in meditation, you can take it up, guys. It is going to help you a lot. Or if you are planning to do some changes in your routine, maybe taking up a healthy habit like exercising or dieting, something which is a health oriented habit, you can do it. And also, you need to heal even at the mental level. So whatever stress you are having, you are the one who can heal yourself. So this angel is assisting you in that. So if you need physical healing, you can go ahead. If you need emotional healing, you need to take the first step towards healing, guys. So that is what this card is about. And this angel is here guiding us towards our spiritual and physical growth. So that is the energy with this card. So you are already in the path of healing, maybe from the past relationship or from whatever stress you are having, or maybe some physical healing. Maybe you are recovering from some kind of an illness, or you are in some kind of illness and you are on the path to recovery. So that is the reading with this card. So this angel's guidance will help us, assist us in a healthy, happy lifestyle free of stress, and it is going to heal us in all levels, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for y'all, guys, with both the cards. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.